We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda Dee. So welcome from Miss Brenda Dee and her family.
Hello everyone, how y'all doing on this nice beautiful day? Today we're making a 7-up pound cake, y'all. Yes, just in time for Father's Day. And here are our ingredients. Here I'm showing you some of our ingredients, so let's get started. We are starting with our sugar and now our butter. Now we are creaming our butter and sugar together. Time to time, stop and scrape down your bowl and continue to mix. This is how you know if your butter is completely creamed. See how it has changed colors? At first it was a dark yellow color. Now it is a light cream color. I mixed it for at least 6 to 7 minutes. This is what we're looking for, and we're all done. Here we're scraping our bowl down, and now we're getting ready to add the rest of our ingredients. Here we're adding our lemon extract, and we're mixing that in. Now we're adding our eggs. We're going to mix those in, but not over mix them, because we don't want to over mix our batter. Here we're measuring our 7-up. We're using 1 cup. And we're adding half of our flour at a time. And then we're going to add half of our 7-up. And then we're going to repeat that method. This is the second part of our flour and 7-up. So we're going to mix this in well, but we're not going to over mix our batter. Just make sure it is mixed in well. Here I'm spraying down my tube pan, or you can use a bundt pan. Make sure to spray your pan well so your cake won't stick. Here we are pouring in our batter. Make sure to pour it around the tube without getting any on the tube. Sometimes we may get a drip or two on the tube, but that's okay. Here we are trying to get our batter as even as we can. You can spread it around and shake it around a little bit and drop it to get the air bubbles out. Now we're going to place it in a 325-degree oven for 1 hour. Afterward, we're going to check it with a toothpick. If the toothpick comes out clean, it is ready. If the toothpick comes out with batter on it, continue to cook it for another 5 minutes or until the toothpick comes out clean. I wanted to share with you this bowl and colander set that I purchased at Walmart for like $3 and some change. And if you need one, you can go by and pick you one up. This is such a good bowl to make your desserts and other dishes. Just wanted to share. Okay, y'all, our cake is ready, and I'm showing y'all what to do to see if your cake is completely done. Is to check it with a toothpick. See, mine is ready, but if your toothpick come out with batter, bake it another 5 minutes at a time until your toothpick comes out clean. I'm gonna let our cake cool for 10 minutes in our pan, and then I'm going to remove it and place it on a plate and let it completely cool for another 20 to 25 minutes. Now we're preparing our icing. We are preparing it in my large glass cup. I'm using my glass cup to make this more easier to pour, or just use what you have. Here I'm pouring in our 7-Up. I'm using only half of what I'm going to put in at a time. And then now our lemon juice, vanilla extract. Now we're mixing all our ingredients together. As I'm stirring it, I can tell that I'm going to need the remainder of our 7-Up. So now I'm adding the other half of my 7-Up. So I'm adding 1/4 cup of 7-Up total. And we're going to mix this for like 5 minutes or so to make sure all the lumps or anything. We want our icing to be smooth when we pour it onto our cake. So make sure your icing is nice and smooth. Okay, since our icing is nice and smooth, we're going to pour it onto our cake. Now we are spreading it and let it drizzle to the sides. And you can do this any way you prefer to do it. Okay, we are back. Our cake have cooled and now we're ready to slice it. Y'all, this cake is so moist and delicious, and I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and please don't forget to hit that notification bell so y'all can get our new and upcoming videos. And to all our new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome to our channel. Okay, y'all, as always, I'm gonna say y'all have a blessed day, and bye-bye for now. Love y'all, stay safe, and be blessed.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda Dee. So welcome from Miss Brenda Dee and her family.
That's a hit.